Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this DIY we are going to see stone art. I am going to make a Christmas tree. It's a very beautiful and an easy art. As you can see, this is done in a areca or a palm leaf plate. This is a beautiful texture. So I have chosen this plate as the background for my stone art. I am just giving a layer of acrylic paint. You can choose your own color. I have chosen black color. And now for sticking the stones I am using Fevicryl molded. This has two parts and you just have to combine equal portion and then make a homogeneous mixture, and it takes around half an hour to harden, or you can use E8000 glue, but I prefer using this Fevicryl molded, or you can use even M-Seal. It has the same property and it takes around half an hour to set. So within that time we can neatly arrange and we can place stones. So for stones I am using aquarium stones, green color I have chosen for the tree. But even if you don't get these stones, you can buy small pebbles, or even you can, if it's available for you, you can locally also get the small pebbles, and you can color it on your own with your own choice of acrylic color. And this is a very glossy shine on it. And you will have to arrange the stone neatly so that the between spaces of the stones are very less. That will give a neat picture of the shape you have chosen. You get the stone in all colors. I have chosen orange for the base of the tree. The stone is highly polished, so other forms of glue does not work for this, or even glue gun also does not work. They just peel away. So I feel mold it or M-Seal is a better option. For all the decorations I will be using E8000, or even Araldite also you can use. And for gifts I am using yellow color stone, and on top nice satin ribbon in the shape of a bow. And these decorations are purely your choice. Whatever is available, you can choose those decorations. So now the base of the Christmas tree is over, and I am using small mirrors that gives nice shiny effect on the tree. Small mirrors, half pearls, and some sequins also. And I am sticking everything whichever is possible using only molded clay. It's an air dry clay. So the basic decoration of Christmas tree is over. Now after this I am using ball chains. This is also readily available in the fancy stores. Green color and gold color I will be using. For this I am using E8000 glue. You can use Araldite also. So I am just tracing the shape of the tree. This gives a nice neat look or a finished look to your stone art. Actually all this is your own creativity. So whatever you have within your availability, you can use them to decorate it. As you can see, the texture of the plate is really very good. So I wanted to use this palm plate, and if you stick it by mold it or E8000, it's quite sturdy and they don't come out. Not only Christmas tree, you can apply this to your own creativity. You can choose your own whatever picture you want to do, but because we are using stones, you cannot use very intricate designs. because we will not get that much small. If you get very small pebbles, you can try little intricate designs, but very intricate is not possible using this stone art. But it is very beautiful, and you can use it, you can do it very easily also, provided you have some stones and little bit of decoration. So the base of this is over. Now I am using two more ball chains. This one is gold color and the other is metallic copper color for the outside decorations. Christmas generally is associated with winter, snow and all those things. So your decoration, if it can reflect the winter season, it would give a nice effect to the art. So here I will be using some snowflakes and some of Santa's cap and all those decorations, and I like to give a touch of paint to whatever DIY I do. So I'll be doing the decoration with a 3D liner, but this is also purely your choice. You can use glitter foams. If you can cut down the decorations beautifully in glitter foams and stick it out, that's also going to be very attractive. This is my choice, so I am using a 3D liner. And this is another type of stone. This also you get it in aquarium shops. Nice polished button like, they have different colors in this also. And I am using a white color stone. This in this also I am going to do a snowflake like design. On top of this I will be sticking some kundan stones of different colors. These are kundan stones. Again, as I told you, availability of material is your choice. If you don't have these items also, not at all an issue. If you just have stones and even the background plate, areca is my own choice to give the beautiful texture. But if you don't get this palm plate, you can try with the normal wooden MDF wood also. MDF wood, or even if you are going to have some nice hard cardboard, you can try with that also. It will give a nice effect, and you can create your own texture also for the base. Now this outer decoration is for I am using a gold 3D liner. There is a small angels on either side, but gold will be my base color. On top of this I will be giving the original color of the respective decoration. A small bit of gold background will give a nice finish to your work. Especially gold has a better decorative effect with a dark background. So I just thought to give a base color of gold. And normally painting in this areca plate is little hard because they have they have this horizontal lines. It becomes really tough painting. You will not get a nice finish also. So that's why I am using a 3D liner for this. 3D liner is okay, no, not an issue. You can give a good painting finish in the 3D liner. Now for the snowflakes, it's the white color. It's going to sit on top of the gold base, and this snowflakes definitely gives the ambience of a Christmas, winter Christmas. And this plate can be used anywhere. You can gift it to someone who is celebrating Christmas. They can hang it as a wall hanging, or you can decorate your own Christmas space with this. This plate is really very beautiful, and you can create it in a few hours. Couple of hours is enough for us, provided you get all the materials. Snowflakes is done, and now for the interior decorations part, which I have given gold color. I'll be choosing the color of the decorations. For the angel, I just chose pink color. Beautiful, cute lids. You can cut all these decorations neatly in glitter of various color, in glitter foam, various color. Just stick it out. It will also look very beautiful. This is Santa's boots with red and white. It's really fun decorating a Christmas tree and the decorations. Kids can also do this. Definitely they'll enjoy it. If you use any other base plate, then you can even paint it fully without even a 3D liner. Santa's cap. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY. You can use your own creativity to create your own picture in the way you want. A Merry Christmas to you all. Please do subscribe if you like it and share. And this is also a snow effect only, snowflakes. And with that, the plate gets over. And I prefer not to stick it using double tapes because it's quite heavy. So you just can make 2 holes on top and use a satin ribbon to hang it anywhere you want. Really awesome to look. The texture looks so beautiful under the light. Do try and let me know in the comment section. Meet you all again with another interesting DIY. Thank you.